Winner, winner, chicken dinner. We have a winner for the helicopter. It's Texas UAV pilot. Get in touch with me. Well, got the Zino2 3 days ago and got everything downloaded, ready to go. Plugged everything in. No video. Everything else seems to be working. So next day I went out. Still no video, but it flew. Flew it for about 7-8 minutes, but there was no video. It I guess flew okay, but it real touchy on the controls. Just jerks around. And the return to home, it missed it by about 7 or 8 feet. I still don't understand why people are so excited about this Zino2. It straight out of the box, no video. Took 3 months to get here. How they can operate like that, I don't know. Anyway, I called Hubson. They got back to me and told me they want to send me a ribbon cable, which I have to install. Can you imagine? Just bought a brand new drone. Right out of the box. Gotta wait for a ribbon cable for myself to install. Okay, and then now it's about 3 days later. I decided to go fly it again, and without video, of course. Oh, by the way, even the camera didn't work. I mean, there was no FPV, but the camera would not record. I hit the record on the controller and on the screen. Neither one of them worked. It gave me some kind of error message on the screen when I pushed the controller record button. So I go to try to upgrade the firmware. And I wait. It gets to like 67% and just stalls. Doesn't go any further. So I shut everything off. Tried it again a little bit later. Started all over. 67%. I got a disconnect on the message, and it's just stalled. Okay, for you people that don't want to mess with something like updates all the time and ribbon cables not working, no FPV, and go on YouTube, look at all the problems that the Zino aircraft has had. So, I don't know, I wouldn't recommend this thing to anybody. I don't like DJI. I've had the Maverick 2 or Maverick Pro and Spark and the Mini. I just sold the Mini because it fell out of the sky on my last flight. Didn't hurt anything. Was still working, but I went ahead and sold it. I just tired of DJI. Every 5 seconds or so you get some kind of stupid message on the screen.